Bini Mika di nakadalo sa Pure Gold Thanksgiving concert dahil sa knee injury. The latest update of Bini as they bloom wherever they go. Bini soundcheck party for the Pure Gold na sa atin ang Panalo concert night ay ready na. Pero napansin na di kumpleto ang Bini. Wala si Bini Mika. Bini posted advisory, Mika has suffered a minor injury to her left knee and will not be able to perform tonight. At the Pure Gold's Thanksgiving concert, rest assured she is okay and recovering well. Let's sweeten up the experience by showing support to the rest of our Bini and enjoy the event together. Di man nakadalo si Bini Mika tonight, but we know she is rooting for the girls to have an enjoyable and successful concert tonight with other artists. Let's see mga kaganapan sa Bini Soundcheck Party for the Pure Gold na sa atin ang Panalo concert tonight.